Hi, my name is Anchal, and in this video, we'll discuss domain life cycle. But first, let's discuss what a domain is. Domain. Domain is nothing but the URL of your website like .com, .in, etc. Your domain name will be the name by which you will be known online. It's your blog's permanent address on the internet. There are many platforms to buy domain names like Namecheap, Bluehost, Hostinger, HostGator, GoDaddy, etc. In this video, we'll discuss how these platforms maintain a domain. What's the cycle behind this? Come, let's know about that. Domain life cycle. A domain life cycle consists of 5 phases as follows. The first phase is available, the next registered, and then the expired phase. In this phase, if you renew your domain, it comes to available phase. If you do not renew your domain in the expired phase, it will go to redemption grace period. After that, pending delete, and then again available stage. Come, let's dive into this. Available. The domain life cycle starts when it is in the available phase. It's the stage in which a domain registrar can be registered by a person or organization. This is operated by a top-level domain authority. Active or registered. In the active stage, the domain is already registered and fully functional. In this stage, you can renew it at regular prices, and also if you want, you can transfer the domain in this stage only. Expired phase. In this phase, if the registered domain is not renewed within a particular expiration date, it will go to the expired stage. Here, the domain stays for 45 days, but it will not work until you renew it. After the renewal, it will be reactivated again. If not, it will go to the redemption grace period. Redemption grace period. During this period, the domain can still be renewed by the owner, but penalty charges will be applied, depending on the domain extension registrar. This period varies according to different domain extension platforms. Pending deletion. In case you do not renew your domain in the expired or redemption grace period, you cannot restore, renew, or reactivate your domain in the pending deletion stage. In this period, the domain will stay for 5 days to remove the domain details by the domain authority. If you want to renew or reactivate your domain again, you will have to wait until it is shifted to the available stage after released.